Okay, first off, when I first come in the store, I see this cute cat for $39.95. I believe it holds a single wick candle. And the candle that was right there next to it is called Spooky Cider Lane. And that almost smelled like a caramel apple. But the first thing I saw was the actual care products. So your soaps, some of the scents for the Halloween season, which was Enchanted Candle Potion, Sugared Spell, Stardust Magic, Wicked Vanilla Wood, and then they also had, what else? I think that was it. Those were the scents that I saw up front. But you see me showing you all the cute little, those are for your hand sanitizers. I think we've seen something like that last year, the little pumpkin. If you guys need to see the prices, just pause. That cute hand right there holds a soap, and they had so many cute like hand sanitizer things this year. Last year, not so much in my store. So way to go, Bath&Body Works. And then I know I showed you guys the little plug-in for the, what are they called? Gosh, right there. The little cat. The plug-ins, the wallflowers. Thank you, Jamie. You can think of it. But that cat was so stinking cute, you guys, with the little purple hat. These little trick-or-treat bags that they had all over throughout the store. Like I said, then I go to the other big display, and I was surprised to see this little eyeball in the store. That was, I want to say $39.99. That actually, no, I'm sorry. That might have been more. That might have been $60 for the water globe. But here's that pumpkin, what does it say? Pumpkin carving. Honestly, I love that packaging, you guys. It's spooky. It's scary for the holiday season. Not, too scary. But I love it. I just didn't care for the scent. This was really cool. It looked like witches' hands, like it holds your soap dispenser with the cool little spider ring on it. I mean, they've really had some awesome pieces this year, you guys. I was very impressed. This little skeleton was adorable, and I think he's like a lanyard. And then you can also, I want to say he also holds maybe sanitizer. And what about this ghost? He's to die for if you're a bling kind of girl. He was all blinged out. Then, of course, they had a cute little jack-o'-lantern, and he glowed. And like I said, those were lanyards. Now, some of in the soaps and the candles was vampire blood, pumpkin carving, ghoul friend. What else? There's that eyeball again. Here's where I show you. Oh no, that was like $69, I think. If you guys need to see the pricing, I'm not going to lie. I was going to try to tell you all the pricing. But guess what? This girl can't find her readers. And so I can't read the pricing. Now, that was lip gloss. I almost bought that. They had a candy corn. They had a sour gummy. This was for your car, which was really cute. And the ghost, I believe, glows. I could be wrong. Comment below, all my Bath and Body Works girls that know their stuff. Let me know if that glows. Now, they've done something similar to this year's past, but it was really nice for your 3-wick candle. This is me trying to show you this beautiful now. It lights up, you guys. It has, I want to say, like a green light in it. That one was, I think, 69 or 79 for that one with the raven. And then it had little, it looks like little birds flying around. Here's a skull one. We kind of bypassed that tree. Now, the tree is one of the items that I actually ended up ordering online this morning. I didn't think I would be able to find it. This apple was very cool, you guys, because it's like the apple from Snow White, the poisonous apple. And when it lights up, you see that face. I absolutely love that. And then the little raven one with the pumpkin, that one was very cool. Very cool wallflowers this year. I got to tell you, I was having a really hard time not trying to buy a bunch of items. This was neat. It had an iridescent to it, and then it glowed. And when it glowed, as you guys can see, that iridescent, how cool is that? I mean, Bath and Body Works, I think you did a good job this year with the items that you chose. They had these little sprays that were like glitz. They were like a shimmer. So they had that in pumpkin carving, ghoul friend, and what was the other one? It might have been the vampire's blood. So they had that. They had, here's the small one, but do you see these packaging? I think the packaging, they did a wonderful job this year. I love it for the Halloween. There was that candle that was a jack-o'-lantern, and he didn't light up or anything. He was cheaper than the others. He was $39.99. And I think that's supposed to be like grass underneath him. So, oh, this witch's hand holding the hand sanitizer. I love that. I think that one will be one that goes very fast. I wish I would have picked it up, but I didn't. You know, can't buy everything, right? And then there was this skull that, you know, had the little sparklies that kind of went all over. They had bath bombs in those scents that I just told you about. So if you guys have not, hop online, check out your stores. If you guys are Halloween lovers. Okay, guys, so you just watched the shop with me. I went into the store to see what was in the store. I got online early this morning. I also have some other items. I'm going to post the pictures after this that I ended up purchasing. I'm not getting on camera because I look like a hot mess. I worked today and then went by my store. Now, I went into the store, was planning on buying the candle, the pumpkin carving candle. It was a 3-wick. The packaging was beautiful, okay? It had jack-o'-lanterns, and I loved it, but the smell. So I still didn't pick it up. I may go back. There's so many cool things, but this I could not pass up. Look at this. And it holds your soap. Is that not the best? So, this was, you guys, let me see how much this was. This was $19.95, but it wasn't because I had a coupon, 20% off. So it was cheaper. I went ahead and picked up this soap because I think the purple looks really good in it. Ghoul Friend. It actually smells pretty good. I think it might be one of those scents that everybody will be okay with. When I went in today, the wallflowers were $3.95. Plus I had the 20% off of everything. So I went ahead and picked up a apple weather, another one, because I really like that. I already plugged that in my kitchen. A harvest gathering. This smells really nice, fruity and happy. Actually, they both say that. They all say that, huh? And then another leaves, because, you know, leaves and pumpkin pecan waffle are my favorite. But then I also grabbed a vampire blood because I got a plug-in that I really like. And there was some other ones like the Raven. Did you guys see that in the video? I love that. And then I had a little free, you know how you get the coupon, anything $8.50 or lower. So I went ahead and got a stress relief. Ooh. Uh-oh. Yeah. We're okay down here, just filming and dropping stuff. So I'm going to put the clips of the other two items that I went ahead and purchased. I purchased them online. Good thing the one was not in my store when I went by there. They had a lot more than I thought they were going to. Maybe they got more in this year. You Bath and Body lovers that go every year, comment below. Did it seem like in your stores there was a bigger supply of it? So I know Halloween is like ramping up. People are going crazy everywhere. So many videos to come. And I'm going to go ahead and say my goodbyes. Make sure you guys give me the big thumbs up. And I will see you next time. Be kind to one another. Love one another. And I'll see you later.